Whenever you say the word should, you create an expectation and you set yourself up for upset. So if the morning should be a certain way and it's not, then we create a story called There Goes My Day. And then you spend your day trying to find evidence how bad your day is. By the way, if you had $86,400 in your bank account, oh, now some people woke up. If you have $86,400 in your bank account, somebody steals $10. How much of the rest of that money are you going to use to hire a private investigator to find out what happened to the $10? How many of you would spend another $10 to find out? How many of you would spend more? How many of you would spend nothing? You withdraw it all? So, here's the interesting part. There's 86,400 seconds in a day. There's 86,400 seconds in a day. How long does it take for the coffee to spill on you? And then you get upset? 2 seconds? So let's stretch that to 10 seconds. Maybe you're really upset. Maybe you really had a good coffee. Like you sipped it before, these are really good. Nothing can go wrong. And you go like, there's nothing can go wrong. Ha 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 ha! I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Why do we look up? So, if you wouldn't spend more than $10 to find out what happened, why are we programmed when something bad happens in the morning? By the way, it's something bad, we made up that it's bad. There's people that don't have coffee, or air conditioning, or cars, or jobs, or this, or that. And I do the same thing, I spill my tea, or whatever. It's like that. But then I'm like, oh wait, why do I want to be upset? And I literally just relieve myself in that expectation. So why would you spend more time of your day being upset if something happened? There's no such thing as a bad day. It's just a bad moment that you choose to stretch out as long as you want. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.